In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels in Pipedrive, a crucial tool that can make managing your sales pipeline more efficient and organized. So let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to open up your web browser of choice and head over to pipedrive.com. Once there, log into your Pipedrive account with your credentials. After logging in, your next focus should be navigating to the Deals section. This area is an integral part of managing your pipeline, and it's where we'll be creating those all-important labels shortly. On the top menu bar, you should see a tab labeled Deals. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Once you're in the Deals section, you'll be greeted with a list of leads that you're currently handling. To begin, select any lead that you wish to work with by simply clicking on it. With the lead open, your next task is to look for the option to add labels. This nifty little feature is designed to help you organize and identify your deals much more efficiently, enhancing the way you manage your sales process. Click on the Add Labels option, and you'll be presented with a list of available labels. These are predefined for you to use, and they can really save you a lot of time, especially if you're already satisfied with the existing options. Simply select any label that fits your needs to apply it to your lead. But let's say you're looking for something a bit more customized, a label that really speaks to your specific needs. In that case, look for the option labeled Add Label. Clicking on this will open up a field where you can type in a new label name. Think of this as an opportunity to create a specific tag that aligns perfectly with your workflow. This could be for a unique kind of follow-up or a particular project you're working on. Once you've decided on an appropriate label name, type it into the provided field. Make sure it's descriptive enough so that you'll easily identify it later, but keep it concise to avoid any unnecessary complexity. Now that you've entered a new label, be sure to click on the Save button to capture all your changes. This is a crucial step because without saving, all your hard work in creating a new label might be lost. And there you have it. A brand new label in your Pipedrive account, ready to keep your deals organized and easily recognizable. Labels are a powerful way to streamline your sales process, making it more effective and helping you stay on top of your tasks. Thanks for taking the time to learn with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stick around for more insights and tips on using Pipedrive.